Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I'm at the vegetable stand looking for malanga because today we're going to be making frituras de malanga. And there are a wide variety of malanga as you can see, but I specifically need malanga blanca, or the other name in Spanish is yautía blanca. Hola mis queridos, fui a buscar malanga para hacer frituras de malanga. El otro nombre es yautía o yautía blanca. Ok, la encontré. Vamos a empezar. Malanga is a tuber or a starch vegetable, just like potatoes are. They come in different varieties, so that's why sometimes it gets confusing. And malanga is sometimes confused with taro root, but it's not the same vegetable. It's totally different. Before we get started, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any recipes. Antes de empezar, si quieren más videos como así, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. For the ingredients, I'm using 3 malanga, parsley, 2 garlic cloves, a half of an onion, 1 scallion, 1 egg, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of vinegar. For the dry seasoning, I'm using salt and pepper and sazón completa. Para los ingredientes necesitamos son 3 malangas, un manojo de perejil, 2 dientes de ajo, media cebolla, un cebollino, un huevo, una cucharadita de vinagre, sal, pimienta, sazón completa al gusto. The first thing that you want to do is wash your malanga to remove all the dirt, and then you want to peel it and then cut it into big chunks. One tip that I want to give you is to be very careful when you cut it into malanga because it's very slippery. So you can probably use a paper towel to hold the end of it when you get to the fleshy part. Vamos a pelar, lavar y cortar las malangas en trozos. Cuando estás cortando la malanga, ten cuidado porque la malanga es muy pegajosa. Traditionally, malanga is grated with a cheese grater, but in my case, I'm using a blender because it's much easier and it's much quicker. Tradicionalmente, un rallador de queso se utiliza para rallar la malanga. Pero en mi caso estoy usando una licuadora porque es mucho más fácil y más rápido. Y también la masa queda más suave. So now what I'm doing is adding everything into my blender. I'm adding the malanga, my egg. I'm going to add the onion, the scallion, and I'm going to blend it all into a thick paste. Vas a licuar todos los ingredientes hasta que lograr una pasta. One tip that I learned was to add vinegar to the batter or to your mixture. That way the frituras don't absorb too much grease. Para evitar que los alimentos fritos absorben el exceso de aceite, agrega una pequeña cantidad de vinagre. Yo le pongo una cucharadita de vinagre a la mezcla. So now I'm going to add my dry seasoning, and you're just going to eyeball it. I'm just adding a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of sazón completa. And you want to taste your batter to see what it tastes like. So if you need a little bit more salt or whatever, you can add to it. Ahora estoy añadiendo mi condimento seco a la mezcla. En este punto, quiere probarlo para ver si necesita un poquito más sal. And lastly, you want to add in your chopped parsley. And once you add the parsley in, you want to mix it up really good. And then you want to refrigerate your batter for at least 30 minutes. Seguidamente, vas a poner el perejil muy bien picado. Siguiente, cubre el bol con plástico o saran wrap y ponga en la nevera durante 30 minutos. Malanga is a food that is similar to potatoes, and you can cook it just like a potato. You can boil it, bake it, fry it. It's very good for the body, has a lot of vitamins and proteins in it, and it's great for the stomach and for blood pressure problem. Malanga es casi igual que las papas. Se puede cocinarlas como una papa. In Cuba, malanga is also eaten in stews and soups, and I love to add it to my beans as well. Tiene proteína, fibra y muchas vitaminas. Es bueno para problemas con presión de sangre y estómago. So now it's been 30 minutes, so now we're ready to start frying our frituras. The one thing you want to remember is you don't want to put the oil too hot, because if the oil is too hot, it's going to burn the outside of the fritura and then the inside is going to be raw, and you don't want that. Después de 30 minutos, precalenta el aceite. Saca la masa de la nevera y en una sartén o un caldero un poco profundo, añade una cucharadita de la masa en el aceite. Fría las frituras 1 minuto cada lado o hasta que sea bien dorada. One thing you want to remember is to flip the frituras occasionally, because you don't want them to burn. And another thing is not to walk away from the stove when you're frying these. They burn very fast. Cuando estás frías las frituras, quieres darlas vuelta occasionalmente para que no se quemen y no te vaya de la estufa. When you remove the frituras from the oil, you want to make sure you have a paper towel there to absorb the excess oil. Cuando se sacan las frituras del aceite, póngalas en una toalla de papel para absorber el exceso aceite. Ok, están listas. Vamos a servirlas. Aquí tiene mis fabulosas frituras de malanga. Mira qué belleza. Well, guys, here are my delicious frituras de malanga. And you can have these alone, or you can have them as a side along with your meal. And let me just show you how crunchy they are. They came out really delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. And if you guys want to check out my other recipes for frituras, you can check my playlist on my YouTube channel, and I have a few on there that you can try. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para yo irme. Eso es todo por ahora. Si quieres más videos como así, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Se puede visitarme a mi nuevo grupo de Facebook, se llama Cooking the Cuban Way. Hasta la próxima, muchas bendiciones. Bye bye.